Hello, good morning everyone. In the previous lecture, we have seen what is meant by instructions and the various groups of instruction. Just we will recall that within a few seconds, then we will go further. So, what is meant by instruction? An instruction is a command given to a computer to perform a specified operation on a given data. Let's have a look with the different groups of instruction sets available for the 8085. Data transfer group, arithmetic group, logical group, branch control group, I/O and machine control group. There is stack related instructions are also included in I/O and machine control group. So today we will discuss about the stack related instruction. The first instruction in this particular group is push RP. Push the contents of register pair to the stack. This is the function of the push RP. Push the contents of register pair which is specified in the instruction to the stack. So the contents of higher order register will be stored in SP-1, whereas the contents of lower order register will be stored in SP-2, and the new stack pointer will be, new stack top will be SP-2. Now let's have an example for this instruction. LXI SP2499. Before execution any stack related instruction, you should initialize with the stack pointer with some memory location. Say here for example we have initialized the stack pointer with 2499. So SP will be initialized at 2499. The next memory location available will be 2498. After this LXI B41A3, this instruction specifies that load the BC pair with the immediate data, that is 41A3. Means after execution of this particular instruction, B will have 41 whereas C will have A3. Now push B. This push B instruction executes as follows. As soon as we write the push B, the content of BC will be copied to SP-1 as well as SP-2 memory location. As higher order register is B, so the copy the contents of B register to the SP-1, that is 2498 memory location, whereas copy the content of lower order register, that is C, to SP-2, that is 2497. So 41 will be copied to 2498 memory location, whereas A3 will be copied to 2497 memory location. Now after execution of this particular instruction, none of the flag is affected and the T states required to execute these particular instructions are 12. As we can see, the data is indirectly given, so this addressing mode for this instruction is register indirect, and the machine cycles required to execute this particular operation are 3. In a similar way, there is a push PSW instruction. Push PSW stands for push the contents of processor status word to the stack. Only the difference between push RP and push PSW is we need to replace the RP, that is valid register pair, with the PSW, that is accumulator as higher order register, whereas flag register, that is lower order registers. In the similar way as the previously we have discussed, the data which is there in accumulator will be copied to SP-1 memory location, whereas the data which is there in flag register will be copied to SP-2 memory location, and the new stack pointer will be SP-2, that is 2497. Exactly opposite of this push, there is an instruction pop RP. Means whatever data we have stored earlier in the stack, that will be retrieved back with the use of pop RP. Now what this instruction means is the content of the register pair which is specified in the instruction, which already have saved earlier, is moved from the stack to the register pair. In this case, the stack pointer contents will be loaded first in the lower order register. SP+1, that is stack pointer plus 1, contents will be stored in higher order register, and the new stack pointer will be SP+2. Let's have an example. LXI SP2499, initialize the stack pointer with the memory locations as 2499. Load the register pair with the same data 41A3, then execute push B. Now when you have already executed push B, you finish the operation which are there in between push B and pop B. After execution of these instructions, we need to retrieve back the data which has been already stored in the stack by using pop instruction. Now the pop instruction, as soon as you write this pop instruction, the execution starts as follows. The stack pointer, which is now as 2497, the content of that will be stored to the lower order register, that is C, and then SP plus 2, that is stack pointer, will be incremented by 1, and the content of that stack pointer plus 1 will be loaded in higher order register, that is B. So after execution of pop B instructions, we will have as 41 in register B, A3 as in register C. Again, after execution of this particular instruction, none of the flag is affected. The states required to finish these operations are 10. Again, this is addressing mode as register indirect, as the data and addresses are not directly given. Machine cycles required will be 3. In the similar way of pop RP, there is a pop PSW. Only replace that RP, that is valid register pairs, with the accumulator and flags. So the data will be lower order data will be copied first, then higher order data will be copied, and the new stack top will be your SP plus 2, that is 2499.